Buenos días, clase. Hoy es martes, el 20 de octubre de 2020. Am, Hoy es un día importante en la casa de los Ward porque es el cumpleaños del señor Ward. Sí, el señor Ward celebra su cumpleaños hoy. Bueno, la lección de hoy es súper fácil. Después de hacer sus videos, lo que van a hacer es grabar una respuesta a cinco compañeros de clase a sus preguntas. Por ejemplo, aquí está mi estudiante fenomenal, Stefan. So, Stefan grabó su video en Flipgrid y lo que van a hacer es escuchar su video y su pregunta, porque todo el mundo hicieron una pregunta a la clase, y lo que tienes que hacer es grabar un comentario público a la respuesta de la pregunta de Stefan y de 4 personas más. Okay? So just so you understand, today's assignment is to listen to 5 videos by 5 different classmates and respond back to the answer to their question. Okay? And you're going to do that by hitting record a video comment. So you're going to see the screen pop up. You're going to see me. Actually, there I am. Okay, and that's all you need to do. So you're going to hit this little red button and that's going to record your response. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you can shoot me an email during the day. I will try to have office hours probably closer to 3 o'clock today, but I will not be grading this until the end of the week. So if you cannot, record 5 responses today, it is not a big deal. Just try to get it done by Thursday, okay? So again, five different people, and please make sure that you spread your responses out, okay? So don't just do the top 5 people. Try to listen to someone who hasn't gotten a comment. You'll see here, these will fill up with the number of comments. So if you see like 2 or 3, skip that person and move to another. Obviously, your answer is in Spanish. Be sure to greet the person too. So it should sound something like this. Hola, Stefan, soy yo, señora Ward. Tu pregunta, mi respuesta es, right? And, try to make a little connection to that person. So especially if their question is something really personal, maybe you can say something to really connect, like mi película favorita es la película Gladiator. ¿Y cuál es tu película favorita? ¿Tú has visto la película Gladiator? Make a question back, just to make it fun, okay? It's just a participation grade, so it's not a big deal, but I really want you guys to have this opportunity to practice speaking in what we say low stakes way. So this is a low stakes assignment. It's just a completion grade. Let your Spanish go. Really try to say stuff. Really try to practice your pronunciation and making a connection. Ok, chicos, esto es todo. Nos vemos mañana en Google Meet. Hasta el miércoles.